So this is Gocode, and in this video we will see the Codechef long problem, which is Appy loves 1. So in this problem, chef has a sequence. Each element of this sequence is either 0 or 1, and Appy gave him a string s with length q describing a sequence of query. There are two types of query. For this symbol we have to right shift the sequence, and for this symbol we have to answer the length of the longest contiguous subsequence in which all elements are 1. And there is a constraint on length also, that all the length must be less than or equal to k. So let's see how we can solve this problem. Suppose this is our sequence. If we right shift one element, then this element present at index 10 then come to the front of the sequence, then our sequence will become this. In this situation, our longest subsequence either come from index 1 to 9 or from 10 to 9 or from 10. That means our longest subsequence is either come from index 1 to 9 or from index 10 to 10 or from index 10 to 10 plus 1 to 9. The subsequence which is from 10 to 10 plus 1 to 9 is only possible if 10 to 10 and 1 to 9 both contribute in the subsequence. So if we know the longest subsequence of 1 to 9 and 10 to 10, and in this case the subsequence which can be a longest is the number of ones till the index 10 and number of ones till the index 9. That is suffix of ones of the sequence and the prefix of ones of the sequence. If it is not clear why we will use prefix and suffix here, then do not worry. Later you will understand why we use the prefix and suffix here. So for this sequence, this array is the maximum contiguous subsequence till every index from left to right. So till index 1, maximum contiguous subsequence of 1 is 1, and till index 2 is 2, because 1 plus 1 2, and till index 3 is 3, till index 4 is also 3, and till index 5 the longest contiguous subsequence of 1s is also 3, and till index 6 is also 3, and till index 7 is also 3. And this is the array of maximum contiguous subsequence till every index from right to left. So we will start from here. So maximum contiguous subsequence till index 7 from right to left is 1, until index 6 is 2, because one comes from here and another one comes from here. Until index 5 is also 2, until index 4 is also 2, till index 3 is also 2, till index 2 is also 2, but till index 1 the longest contiguous one is 3, which is from this sequence. So what is this prefix ones and suffix 1? Prefix ones store the prefix of ones of this sequence. So prefix of ones till index 1 is 1, prefix of 1 till index 2 is 2, prefix of 1 till index 3 is 3, prefix of 1 till index 4 is also 3, and for 5th index is also 3, for 6th index is also 3, and 6th, 7th index is also 3. Prefix of 1s came from this sequence. Suffix of 1 till index 7 is 1, which is this. Suffix of 1 till index 6 is 2, which is this. And then for all the sequence the suffix will become 2, because here 0 will came, so our suffix will broke. So this is our whole array that we will use to solve this problem. So let's solve a problem. So LR is the array which stores maximum subsequence till every index from left to right. RL is the array which stores the maximum subsequence from right to left. P is the array which stores the prefix ones, and S is the array which stores the suffix one. and this is our sequence. So after the first shift our sequence will become this. Then our answer is either came from these indexes, or from this indexes, or from this indexes. That is, our answer will become the max of LR of 6, which stores the answer of 1 to 6, RL of 7, which store the answer of 7 to 7, P6, which store the prefix of 1 till index 6, S7, which store the suffix of 1s till index 7. So our answer will become the maximum of 3, 0, 3 plus 1. 3 is the P6, P6 is 3, and S7 is 1. So our answer will become 4. P6 store the prefix of 1 till index 6, which is this, and S7 store the suffix of 1 till index 7, which is this. So our longest subsequence of 1s will become the combination of these two sequence, the prefix and the suffix sequence. So that is why our answer will become 4. After second shift our sequence will become this, and here also our answer is either came from this segment or this segment or from whole segment. So LR stores the answer of this segment, RL stores the answer of this segment, and P plus S stores the answer of this segment. So here our answer will become 5, which is also came from combination of P and S, which is this. And this is how we will find our answer after every shift. So this is our answer after shift 3rd, this is our answer after shift 4th, this is our answer after shift 5, this is our answer after shift 6. Then our answer will repeat after shift 6, because the sequence will become the original sequence which is before the first shift. So our answer will repeat, and after that we will take the minimum of k comma our answer. This will satisfy the constraint on the answer. So this is how we can solve this problem. The implementation of this problem is given in a description. In next video we will see the 6th problem of Codechef long.